Good morning all, this is Rajiv Bangade from grade 5. I am going to tell today's day and date. Today's day is Monday. Today's date is 18th August 2025. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning all, this is Arnav Kamble from grade 5. Every Monday we observe Motivational Monday. So on behalf of it, I would like to share a thought. The thought is one individual made a but idea will after his death incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. Thank you.
Good morning all, this is Ishita Patil from grade 5.
My name, my name is Pranvi Kut from grade 5.
I am Ketki Patil from grade 5.
Today we are going to tell you importance of the day. Today we are observing Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose death anniversary. Subhash Chandra Bose, also known as Netaji, he founded Indian National Army, the Azad Hind Fauj, to help free.
Talking about his famous slogan, he remembered us a powerful words. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. This showed our courage and belief in our working together for a freedom.
The most important question comes how and when Netaji died. He passed away on 18th August 1945 after a plane crashed near Taipei in Taiwan. He received a burns when the plane crashed and died shortly after in a hospital. His ashes are kept at the Ronkoji Temple in Tokyo.
Why are the Neta remembered the Netaji? He is the source of inspiration, lesson of inclusion, and a reminder to stay united.
Let us honor his memory by promising.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send message that believe in yourself and keep moving forward.
Embrace every challenge.
Let us honor his memory by promising to protect India's freedom with our actions, not just our words. Thank you.